This is very important, the attendee section. This is how we're going to be playing the name game this year. So you go back to your home screen, and at the bottom of your phone, you will see a little bar that has home, agenda, attendees, community, and messages. Click on attendees, and then everybody who is an attendee will show up here. For your name game, for virtual attendees, you will have received an email with your 3 people you are supposed to meet. For in-person attendees, on the back of your badge will be the 3 people you're supposed to be meeting. Some people are going to be in person, some people are going to be virtual, but for virtual attendees, everybody will be virtual. So say one of the people you're supposed to meet is Anne Paradies. You can either scroll through and find him, and it's listed alphabetically by last name, or you can go to the very top of your phone, and there's a blue bar up here on attendees, and click the search button and type in Alex. You can see and type in Anne Paradies, and he has popped up. So we click on his profile, and then for the name game, we want to go to messages, which is at the very, very top. And then this screen will pop up, and you can send him a direct message. You can type out something saying hi, and you want to click this little camera to the left. Once you click that, it will have a video call permission, and you send a request. And then it'll set up a video call, and that's how you're going to be playing the name game this year.